In the AutoCAD Architecture toolset, you have access to an assortment of wall cleanup tools. To begin, create a few walls in your drawing. To do this, from the Tool Palette's Design tab, click Wall. Place a wall by picking a starting and ending point. Place a second wall as a continuous extension of the first. With two walls placed on your keyboard, press Enter to end the command. Then, place another wall. Right-click in the drawing area and from the shortcut menu, select Repeat Wall Add. Place this third wall perpendicular to the first continuous wall but not intersecting. Place a fourth wall as if to form a corner with the first wall, but again, do not intersect the two walls. With the walls placed, you can now use cleanup tools to join them. Select the initial wall, and then from the ribbon, Wall tab, expand the Cleanup drop-down and select Join. The continuous wall that once was comprised of two separate wall segments is now a singular wall object. Now, from the ribbon, Cleanup panel, select Intelligent Cleanup. From the command line, select L Cleanup. Then, in the drawing area, select the last wall placed that almost forms a corner with the continuous wall. Notice that the continuous wall extends to meet the selected wall. You can create filleted corners from two walls as well. Undo the last wall cleanup by pressing Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. Then, on the ribbon, Home tab, Modify panel, select Fillet. Then, select both walls that previously formed a corner. You can also use cleanup tools to create a T-intersection. In the drawing area, select the continuous wall. From the ribbon, select Intelligent Cleanup again. Because T-Cleanup is active by default, the perpendicular disconnected wall extends to meet the continuous wall. With AutoCAD's cleanup tools, you can easily clean up wall intersections that always result in clean corners,